Okay, the first step now is for you to install Node.js. Don't let that name scare you. You don't need to know what is it, but you need to install it on your computer because it makes everything work very well behind the scene. So you go to nodejs.org. I'll put the link in the description box so you can click it. So click on the download link, then choose the option of the link of the laptop device that you are using, then scroll down and install it. Okay. So once you've installed it, double click it and let it install properly on your laptop. Okay. So I won't be able to show that because I already have it on my laptop already. So next step is go to your Figma, click on the profile, then click on setting and scroll to security, then scroll down a little bit and click on generate token. Name your token any name that you wish, that you like. Okay, you can call Cloud, you can call MCP based on what you want. Then select the expiring date. So I choose 90 days. Then scroll down. Under the file, check all the box under the files. Then click on save. But I won't be able to share, click on it. I won't be able to share the link. I won't be able to share the token I generated because I don't want anyone to have access to my Figma information. So after you click on that, a token will come out. So just make sure you save that token somewhere because that's the only time you're going to see it. Save it because we are still going to use it. So you can save it in a note or anywhere that you wish to save the token. Then you come back to it later. So the next step for you now is to install Figma Canvas MCP from GitHub by South Left. So I'll drop the link in the description box for you to use. So don't get overwhelmed with all this coding that you are seeing right. So go to that green button and click on it. You will see download button there. So click on that button, click on download zip. So, and it will be saved on your laptop. So when you get to your laptop, you can save it to a particular place where you can have access to it, easy access to it. You can save it on your desktop, on your laptop, anywhere that you want to save it on your laptop. Just make sure you save it so you can have access to it later. Okay. So this is very important now. So you go back to the Figma Canvas NCP, then you scroll down to the page. And you see this code here. If you remember, we generate a code on Figma the other time. So that code, replace it with this fig stuff that just then copy it. Okay. So the next step now is to click on your window key, then type %app data % and click on enter. Or you can click on the open also. So then look for cloud. Okay. Click on that cloud to open it. So open the cloud, then scroll down to look for, then you scroll down and click on cloud desktop config. Okay. And you paste the code that we copy from Figma console MCP the other time. Paste it there. So, but before you paste it there, it's either you use VS Code to open it or you use Notepad. But for this video, I use Notepad to open it, then paste it on my Notepad. So after you paste it, click on Ctrl S to save it inside your Notepad or VS Code that you use. So, but I won't be able to open this Notepad because of my Figma secret code that I generated, token code that I generated. So because I don't want other to have access to my Figma personal information. So that's why I won't be able to. So you are not supposed to share your token. So now refresh your cloud and click that. Then go to file and scroll to setting. Then click on developer. and you see that it's showing running now. But if you see another thing, maybe like failed, that means you didn't follow the step very well. So you can go back and restart. So we go back to the Figma Council MCP resources. Then the next step is for us to connect the plugin so it can be functional and we can read our Figma properly. So what we are going to do now is, you see, they said the next step is for us to check the plugin and make sure it's running. So if you remember the last time we downloaded no we downloaded here, we click on download zip here, so which we already have on our window on our laptop, if you remember that. And I told you initially that you should save it in a place that you can have access to it. So go back to that place where you save it. So then you click on extractor. I've already extracted it on my laptop, so I don't want to do that again. So after you extract it, click on it to open it. So when you open it, look for, so after you've extracted it, the file, then open it up and navigate to Figma desktop bridge. So click on that Figma desktop bridge, open it also. Then navigate to look for manifest JSON. Okay. Then open it, click on it also and press open. So now the plugin is in Figma. So go back, go to your plugin and scroll down under plugin to search for Figma desktop bridge. So now let's verify if what we did will actually work. So you copy your Figma file, the Figma file that you are in, paste it on cloud, the desktop cloud, then write check Figma status. So let's wait and see what it says. So it's loading now. So which help us to know maybe the setup work or not. Can you see it's still loading? Okay, can you see now? It said you can see it is connected. So, but in case you are seeing another thing that is saying is not connected, that means your setup is wrong. So you have to go back and try to make the correction of what you did. And you can start using your Figma now to, to design on your Figma canvas. You can as well use it to read, to check your Figma, your design, and also use it to design on your Figma canvas. And you can as well use it to design system. Anything that you want on Figma, it will surely design it for you.